I feel so healthy. I walked to the grocery store. I brought my own reusable bag. I got sunlight, vitamin D, fresh air, and bought a bunch of food that I think looks pretty healthy. Like I got this little plant here that I'm going to try to keep alive, a basil plant. So it says remove it from the packaging and place it in a cup of water and then just take leaves from the top. I've bought these before and they haven't lasted. This one does look very healthy. So indirect light, I'm gonna place in a cup of water. I think that'll be perfect. I'll put it in my little jar like so. All right, food haul. Couple of sweet potato yams. I love the light colored ones. I'll roast those in the oven. I bought some bone broth just to add extra protein to my meals because I'm up in that protein. 18 grams of protein in just plain bone broth. Lettuce, onion, and a tomato I bought turkey patties the other day so I can make little turkey burger things. And then I got these sprays for cooking, avocado oil and high heat olive oil spray. Some ground beef, taco seasoning, sun-dried tomatoes, that looked good. Some ham, I'm gonna make a scramble right now. And then I bought extra virgin olive oil I've never tried before, but it looks really good and it was on sale. And some salsa I've never tried before that also looked good, Mateo's Gourmet Salsa. That's it. Wow, $87.32. Damn. Okay, this was on sale for $15. Usually it's $23. These were on sale for $5.99, usually $8.99. The prices are bananas, but it's all organic stuff. I also got this little cottage cheese again for added protein. Okay, I'm gonna make some breakfast and then get my day started. As we get ready for a brand new year, I've been thinking about ways to add more joy into my life. And one of the things that's been bringing me so much joy is more creativity and more learning about things that I am genuinely interested in instead of just spending time or wasting time doom scrolling. That's why I'm so excited to be sponsored by Masterclass. Masterclass has the best classes by the best minds, the most creative minds out there, and I can listen or watch anytime that I want a boost of inspiration. I'm in the middle of the business class with Martha Stewart and feeling so inspired. One of my other favorite classes is by Kelly Wearsler. She's an interior designer. I've been taking elements from her course and applying it into my own home. Like I have this wall of windows in my bedroom that has trees outside, and one of her principles is mirroring the outside and bringing it into the home. And so I put my jade plant into this corner, and I also added some texture and visual elements by adding the quilt to my reading nook and patterned pillow, making my home into my own creative palette. Masterclass gives you unlimited access to over 200 classes. They're adding new classes every month. They have everything from business to wellness to cooking, writing, and so much more. Plans start at just $10 a month, billed annually, and I think this makes the most perfect gift, especially if you need something last minute. There's no clutter, no maintenance involved, just growth and inspiration. During this holiday season, you can get up to 50% off an annual Masterclass subscription. Just click the link in this video's description or scan the QR code so they'll know that I sent you. Learn from the world's best to become your best with Masterclass. All right, back to today's video. Oh, you always bring it down. Okay. How much can you carry though? Is there any lights in there? What is that? No. Yay.
Those days working at UPS paid off.
You never know what past job is preparing you for a future job. And then just putting this back, yeah. I think that's it. John came over and helped me get my Christmas decor out of storage, so I don't have much. I thought I had more than what I have. I have a wreath, I have some twinkle lights, I have a little burlap Christmas tree, and I think I'm just gonna do a Christmas corner in the bedroom just to keep it simple. I mean, there's less than 3 weeks until Christmas. That's the plan. I think I'm gonna do a wreath on the door in my bedroom as well. So let me go gather my things and get it all set up. Oh, I think that looks so cute with the blue. Very, very pretty. Okay. Christmas tree in this corner. Let's see how that is. Let me fluff it out a little bit and add some twinkle lights. I have these little fairy lights that I'm going to put all along the tree. It'll look really cute. I really like that faux candle burning light. I am gonna go look at 2 different apartments. I'm opening myself up to potentially finding a new place to live with a second bedroom so that I can have a dedicated office and space for friends to visit. Okay, let's go see what's out there. It's been a very harrowing journey, but yeah, I want to show you what I'm looking at. So let's see if there's anything good. Okay, so let me walk you through the house. This was the first house I went to go see, and it's very cute, very charming, but it doesn't look like it on camera right now. It was really dark, and it was a little dingy, which that's kind of common with older homes, older buildings. But I asked the guy if he was going to do any updates, and he said no, he doesn't even live in the country. He's just here to show the place. He bought it a decade ago and lives in Germany. He's going to just re-rent it, and it'll pretty much come as is. So very cute, but too dark and a little too dingy. Otherwise, I loved it. He also was kind of on the fence about allowing a pet. He said he'd consider it. It really depends. There's a gorgeous yard in the front. I don't think I got any footage of the front yard, but you can see the cactus outside the window. And it just had this really nice front area that would be perfect for a pup. So yeah, very cute place, great bones, lots of character, lots of charm. This was the second house. This is a different style of home. This is more, I guess, Spanish style in a totally different neighborhood. Now, this house had a really strange smell. It kind of had a sewer smell, which I've been having this issue in my apartment. Like there was some sort of like sewage smell throughout the whole entire place. And I'll show you a little bit later in the video one of the features that I really, really didn't like, but it looks decent. It looks okay. I didn't love the bathroom, like those marble tiles. Didn't love it, but it was aight. It was aight. Okay, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom actually for this one. The other one was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. This one's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, decent sized closets, lots of windows. It had this backyard area that was not private at all. I didn't get really good footage of the backyard, but you can access it from one of the bedrooms. The unit right behind you, their living room looks out onto the grassy backyard area. So you'd have no privacy. You know, it's not somewhere you'd ever really want to be hanging out. Other thing I didn't like about it, the kitchen has a bathroom right next to it. So your toilet is on the same wall as your kitchen sink. I just thought that was really weird feng shui, just a bad layout. I don't really want a bathroom right next to the kitchen. Strange. This is number 3. I didn't get a chance to film this horizontal, but this was a really cute Spanish bungalow. This I love because it has all the charm of an older kind of home, but it has all new updates on the inside. Landlord seemed cool. He bought it a month ago and did all these updates and is now just renting it out. I'm not sure why. This is further east than I really want to live, and the big fatal flaw with this one is that it was very close to a freeway. You could hear the sound of the freeway. You could actually even see the cars driving by from the backyard. This one was priced really well. I got to the open house like 5 minutes before it started, so I could do a little bit of a walkthrough, but by the end, it was packed with people. So I know this one went really quick. It's already off the market. And cute little bathroom, very tiny, probably the same size as mine. This was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Yeah, 2-bedroom, 1-bath Spanish bungalow. Cute backyard, but again, there's a unit behind you. These are not single family homes. They're all like duplexes or triplexes. So there's usually a unit behind you that can kind of look into your unit. And that was the same situation with this place. But the dream is to have some sort of outdoor space. I don't know how safe I feel living in a single family home, honestly. Like, I don't really like the idea of someone having access to my windows and my doors, depending on the neighborhood. And this neighborhood is, it's a little bit questionable. There you can see the cars driving by on the freeway.
Amazing. Amazing. Damn. Here it comes. Oh, yes. Striped. Oh, it turned out great.
I love it. Oh,
amazing.
Wow.
Well, I got different type of bars.
Yeah, they're good companion pieces. Well done.
Yay.
These are still a little bit damp, but I went with Michael to meet 2 of our friends for a holiday lunch at this Christmas market. The Christmas market was so disappointing. There were maybe 3 vendors there, but we had a nice lunch. And then afterwards, Michael and I were walking to the car, and we found this little vintage store. And in the back, they had this pop-up tie-dye event. So I got to make this beautiful. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. This is it folded in half. Yeah, I'll probably just use them as kitchen towels, but they'd also make really nice wrappings for going to someone's house. Like, you could wrap a wine bottle, little picnic food kind of a thing. Yeah, I like them. Gosh, I wish I could have made more. We got there right at the end as it was closing. This is the other one that I made. So I just have to wash it once to make sure that the dye is fully set. This one I made by wrapping it around a piece of rope. The other one was made with rubber bands. I love that. Okay, let me show you some other things. We went to this apartment sale this morning and Michael got a lamp. I got a few things. Okay, I got this giant basket, which I love these kind of baskets. I'll probably leave this in the car because it'll be perfect for so many different things, any kind of shopping. And then I just bought a bunch of frames. So this here was $12. And then let me show you my frame haul. Now I just need to get some photos. I have a good one of me and Samson that I want to put into this little wooden frame. So this was $8. This chunky one was $14. She had a lot of really great stuff. This one is $12. It's sort of a wavy bottom. This one was $15. I love it. Super cute. And then this is a piece of art. I don't know how much this was. The sticker fell off. I think this was maybe $15. And again, I like the frame. I like the way it's matted. And I have such little art in my home that I can find a place for this somewhere. So I got that. Okay, but then also I bought a couple of scarves. Where's my scarves? Okay, I bought this cashmere scarf from a local boutique. Trying to shop local. Bought that for myself. Sort of got blue and purple and gray. And yeah, I lost my other scarf when I was traveling in New York. And so this will be my new travel scarf because it's really, really, really large. And it's insanely soft. Did I say it's cashmere? It's huge too. Pretty. This is by an artist in New York, Meg Cohen. So cute. Little necktie, little neckerchief. Oh, isn't that so pretty? I love all the colors. Yeah, very, very cute. This one is also insanely soft. Super soft cashmere. Gorgeous. I love this one so much. Okay, last but not least, I bought my planner for 2026. I bought the same one that I used last year. This is my 2025 planner that I got at Target, and I can't really see, but I did use it. So I bought, it's from Sugar Paper, 2026 to start getting ready for the new year. And then I got a new desk calendar because I love these for planning out my content calendar, and comes with some cute stickers. And I also got these little stickers to add in. I am a sucker for paper planners and journals. Then I bought one of these pink journals for just regular journaling. That's everything. All caught up. I had a fun weekend. Apartment hunting, disappointing. But other than that, the search continues. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, go for a walk, make some dinner, and just relax the rest of the evening. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. I'm doing a decluttering for the new year episode that should be out probably within the next week or so. Love you guys so much. Talk to you later.